Today, we're going to take a look at a set of pop-up greeting cards. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So I want to show you these because they are pop-up cards. I don't know that I'll ever go back to a flat two-dimensional greeting card ever again because the pop-up cards are just next level. You know what I'm saying? People love them. They're fun to look at. I love checking them out. I thought I would show you this package here because it's a package of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. So you get a lot of them for different occasions without having to spend a lot of money up front. These pop-up cards can easily be $13, $15, $20 a card if you buy them individually. I love the packages where you get an assortment of cards. So first of all, we get this one. It says happy on the front, which is what I am. Doesn't say anything else, so you can kind of make it whatever you want. Looks like it comes with a little blank insert. It almost looks like a doily. You can write on there, put it on there. It says happy on both sides. And a little metal foil up here. We have a Ferris wheel and balloons, and if I open it up, oh man, look at that. It's a Ferris wheel, and the little gondolas are hanging and floating on there. This one's a little hung up there. Look at that. That is cool looking, huh? And then if you look at the bottom, we've got a bike here. Big glasses, but look at that, man. That's cool, dude. That's cool. Huh, I'm impressed with that. All right, so that's one that you get. Hey, let's take a look at this one. It's a little smaller, and it's red. It's got a cutout here. It's got little sparkles on it. It says happy birthday on the front, and boom, it's a present, a little gift. Plenty of area to write on. Put your own custom greeting in there. Let's take a look at this one. It's a little larger. It's kind of a little bit more square. We have horses that are usually like on a carousel, on a bar. And again, that sparkly metallic finish. All of this is cut out. What you might be able to see here is it's laser cut or die cut, but it's cut out. And then if we open it up, boom, as expected, we have a horse carousel. Look at that. And again, plenty of area to write your own custom greeting. That's cool. Now on this one, I'm hoping this is aviation themed. It's black with sparkles. You can see we have a biplane cut out here. I'm not gonna say it's cut out every time because now I think you're getting the point. And boom, I'm gonna do it this way. Boom, boom. We have a biplane in there, big radial engine on the front. You can see that, very cool. Look at that star on the tail. Haha, clever, clever girl. Now this one is absolutely square, not just more square, it is square. It says happy birthday cake on the front here, and then look at that. All right, so this is a 90-degree one, and big, beautiful cake. I feel like someone's gonna pop out of it. It says happy birthday. You can obviously write your own greeting up at the top there. It looks very cool. Look at that. All right, and the last one, a little bit different here. This one actually has a picture, looks like sunflowers on the front. So it doesn't have that same cutout, but if I open it up, boom, look at this. Garden theme, beautiful flowers, sunflowers, and foliage and greenery around it. Little laser cut right here, little design, but no particular greeting, no like happy Easter, happy Mother's Day. This could work for a bunch of different scenarios. So plenty of space to write a nice long message up there, but this one's quite a bit different, as you might be able to see there. So a little more traditional. And I don't think you would expect the pop-up. Hey, if you want to pick up this set of greeting cards, I'm going to put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.